To send a Cash App QR code, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. If you do not have the Cash App, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Once you have opened the app, tap the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, you will see your unique QR code displayed below your name. This QR code is linked to your Cash App account and can be used to receive payments from others. To share your QR code, tap the Share button below the QR code image. You will be presented with several options to share your QR code, including texting it to a friend, emailing it, or saving it to your camera roll. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the prompts to share your QR code with the recipient. When the recipient receives your QR code, they can open the Cash App and tap the Scan button on the home screen. They will then be prompted to scan your QR code using their device's camera. Once the QR code is scanned, the recipient will be taken to a payment screen where they can enter the amount they want to send and confirm the payment. As the sender, ensure that you have a sufficient balance in your Cash App account to cover the payment. You will receive a notification when the payment is sent, and the funds will be added to your account immediately. To receive payments using your QR code, make sure that your Cash App account is set up to receive payments. Go to the profile page and tap the Personal tab to ensure that your account is set up to receive payments. You can also add a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account to cash out your funds. When sharing your QR code, be cautious and only share it with trusted individuals to avoid any potential scams or unauthorized payments. Always verify the recipient's identity before sharing your QR code, and never share your QR code on public platforms or with strangers. By following these steps, you can easily send and receive payments using your Cash App QR code. This convenient and secure method of payment is perfect for splitting bills, sending gifts, or receiving payments from friends and family.